The government's chemist should not only be a laboratory where samples arrive and reports live. It should increasingly become a national center of scientific expertise and contribute to research. This will help Kenya anticipate new scientific threats rather than just responding after they occur. So there has to be a lot of investment in terms of improving the human resource capacity that exists so that we do much more than what we've been traditionally known to perform.
So the ISO 17025 accreditation strengthens confidence that testing is undertaken by competent personnel using appropriate technology and using the right methods, properly control equipment and systems that support the results, the reliable results.
Any entity that we accredit, like in this case the government chemist, within the scope that we accredit, issues a certificate. That certificate of the test results can be recognized globally within the entities and the countries that have the same status.